So I have shown how we can go with the coating process. Okay, so next come with the evaluation of coated tablets. So first thing, what is coating tablets? The tablets were film coated using side-vented perforated pan coating machine. Okay, I will show how we can perform the pan coating, and I will demonstrate what is the pan coating machine that is available in our department. Okay, uh, inlet air spray rate and exhaust air spray rate will keep constant. So we have to, when we're going for the coating, so inlet air spray rate and exhaust air spray rate should be constant. So first fixed quantity tablets were kept in the pan, which was pre-adjusted at 50 degrees Celsius temperature for 10 minutes. Then actual weight of the tablet was determined. The various parameters like spray rate, inlet air temperature, and rotating speed of the pan were adjusted and studied with the different levels. After finishing of the coating of the tablets, we keep in the pan at 60 degrees Celsius for 2 RPM for curry. The tablets were removed from the pan and evaluated. So main factors in case of coating of the tablets, so some factors that affects on the coating of the tablet, that is the rotation speed, temperature, and the uniformity of the spray. So we have to, when we are going for the coating, we have to check all the parameters very carefully that to get the proper tablet coating. Next comes the coating uniformity. So coating uniformity was measured at the variation of the weight gain of the coated tablets within a coating trial. The reported standard deviation was calculated as by given formula. According to this formula of the standard deviation, we can calculate the coating uniformity. So here WTAI and WTBI are the weights of the tablet. I is the after and before coating respectively. Okay. So I is the WTAI is the after coating and WTB is the before coating. Okay. So corrected for moisture content by drying final weight. N is the number of tablet measure. This is N is the number of tablet measure. That is how much quantity of tablet we are taking. And X is the average weight gain. That is X is the average weight gain for the N measured tablet from the coating dry. Okay, so here how can we calculate the standard deviation? WTAI, that is after coating, WTB, that is before coating, and X is the average weight gain of the tablet, and N is the uh, number of the tablets that we are using in the coating. By this process only we can calculate the coating uniformity. Next, come with the coating process efficiency. So coating process efficiency, it is also called as a CPE, was measured as a actual percent weight gain relative to the theoretical percent. Okay, a theoretical 100% transfer of the coating to the tablets would mean no loss of coating. So coating process efficiency was determined by the following equation, that is CPE is equal to percentage of weight gain and percentage of weight of the tablet into 100. Okay, where WTZ is the theoretical percentage of weight gain and okay, so this experiment was 3% in every coating tile and WTZA is the actual percent phase. Okay, so WZT is the theoretical percentage weight gain and WTA is the actual percent weight gain. Okay, next come with the percentage loss on drying. Okay, so percentage loss on drying we are also called as a LOD. It is the moisture content of the coated tablet expressed as a percentage weight. The tablet is weighted, dried at 60 degrees Celsius for 24 hours, and then re-weighting. All uncounted tablet process used in this study has an initial moisture content of 3%, and percentage of LOD was determined by the following equation. So percentage of LOD we can calculate it T into WTB minus WTA divided by WTB into 100, where WB and WTA are the coated tablet weights before WTE is the before rank and WTA is the after rank. So by this process only we can calculate the loss of rank. So this is the process, evaluation process of the COTEC tablets. Okay, this is the theory of the evaluation process of the COTEC tablets.